I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Cali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Cali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bit Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Now select action. Connect. Next. Choose an actions. Choose course. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to your Academy LMS dashboard and you can see here I have already enrolled 3 students in the courses. Now go to your other logged-in user. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Go to your course page and you can see that enrolled successfully here. Now go to your Academy LMS dashboard. And you can see that another student added to the enrolled course. Go to Student. Here you can see the data came successfully in the Academy LMS. Thanks for watching.